Dada, no mistake. Come on, like, you don't have to go away. If you guys are new here, consider subscription, anything. So anyways guys, another day, another good one. Salam is with me also again. So this guy, you know, he never fails to amaze me, to be honest. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Alhamdulillah. How's everything? How's life? How's wife?
Still no wife. Still I didn't go to the gym.
Oh really? You don't want to get in bound with someone. But you know, this is the life. Enjoy your life for the moment as much you can. Okay.
You need the lights?
Look at this superior interior. Wow. But the tire pressure is low? How come?
Because, you know, when I picked that up, I said it. Check it out.
Yeah, sure. How come they miss such thing?
Now we'll go check the tire pressure.
Exactly. So Salam, so we are going to the tire shop. You can see it here, the tire pressure is showing low. Which one? On the left top corner, 2.5, and the other one is 2.8, 2.8. So
should be be 2.9 bar.
Okay. This is the best thing about Bentleys and luxury cars. Modern is it's just a lame word. If I want to use this for this car particularly, you know, I can say exotic car. The best thing about this car, I mean, you can see each and everything. Holy moly, you can feel the Superman. So we'll start with something about the car, you know, like what's the car, and of course people knows what's the car already, I believe.
Okay.
People can guess, of course. So like this is the Bentley, right?
Yeah.
Bentley, which one?
This one, the Super Sport.
Bentley Super Sport.
Yeah.
Wow. Bentley SS. Wow. You know, there are so many classifications, different Bentley, but this one is Super Sport, which is V12, right?
V12 by turbo.
V12 by turbo.
It's, I think 850 horsepower.
You can't be serious, man. You cannot be serious!
No, mate, I'm very serious.
850 horsepower.
Yep.
Man, 800. That's man, I'm speechless. That's 850 horsepower, and the torque is more than 1000.
1000, I think 100 or 1000 something.
Holy moly, holy moly. So now we're going to the tire shop. You know, we'll go just there and they will. Oh, we don't have to go inside, right? I'll be inside.
Okay.
Talking, spoken. Exotic cars, they have something. If I'm going to tell you like how it feels, it will be like less. It's something, such thing, you know, you have to feel it from yourself. But anyways, look at the interior, the whole stuff, everything. I don't want to explain such thing, but you know, like I'll show some things. Like you can see the carbon fiber. Wow, man, the sensation. This is what makes the car very light, right?
Yeah.
The carbon fibers and everything. And if you can see around, the whole car is, you know, the door panels and everything, the rooftop, the steering wheel, everything is stitched by leather, right?
The old kids, all carbon fiber.
Damn.
I'll say something.
Oh, there is. Oh, here. There is
all carbon fiber.
There is carbon fiber everywhere. Oh shit! I didn't. How come I missed it, man? And there is one camera here, you know,
Yeah.
for checking.
Safety.
For safety. Yeah, exactly. You know, that's the issue. Some people, when they see, you know, exotic cars, they leave a scratch or, you know, they try to damage.
Idiot people.
Man, haters, man. Haters. You know, the best thing I liked about this car, you know, this thing.
شوف كم وصل الحين.
Look at this one.
وقف شوي. وقف شوي. أبا بس برجع شوي لورا وأقدم لأن عشان الكمبيوتر يبين عندي.
Man, the interior is super.
محمد تقدر تعبي الثاني إذا سمحت.
So what's the issue? Like, what happened with the tire pressure? Is the computer or the tire?
No, the tire.
The tires, right?
Because you make it, I think, 35, 30.
30.
Plus, no, the rims 22.
Right. Oh, it's 22-inch rims, right? 22-inch rims. Okay, Salam, tell me something about this car, like which we don't know. What about the speed and everything?
Speed 340.
340.
0 to 100, I think 3.6
3.6 in 0 to
seconds.
Wow, that's awesome, man. And then I believe like it will reach 0 to 300 within like 20, 25 seconds or 30 seconds.
No.
Or before
12
that?
seconds.
Damn. Now it's much better. The lighting.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're heading to Al Reef. We'll just keep a small tour and cruise and stuff. Man, the interior is super, you know. It's super. Wallah, bro, like mashallah. The whole interior giving you a super heaven look. What's this color? This is red or maroon? Red, right? This is red color. The whole seats and everything. You can see the back seats there. Holy moly. What's the sound system it have? Like Bose? Bose. Bose is the boss. You know, wherever I'm looking at, I can see small speakers and either there are speakers, tweeters, or you know, airbags, you know, everywhere. And first of all, it's super sport, of course. They comes with super safety.
Yeah.
That's the main point. The best thing about this car, you know, even though it's a sedan sports, but it looks like SUV. It's a huge car. It's long, lengthy, you know.
Okay, fix it now. Normal speed. Or high speed or maximum speed. Normal speed. Okay. Okay, tell me now.
Oh, the thing is like this, about the speeds, like speed limits. Everything's changed, right?
Yeah.
It's because, you know, it's been so many days I didn't went for any kind of drive or such thing.
Yeah.
I haven't driven my car even. You can see my car was really dirty.
Dubai, it's like before.
Okay.
It's if the street 120, you drive 140.
Okay.
If you came from Dubai to Abu Dhabi,
Right.
you'll see the board. It's 140. How much you'll drive? 160.
Alright.
No, the radar will catch you. In Abu Dhabi, the same speed limit. Nothing changed. Look. Now it's here.
Okay.
If I make it S,
Alright.
the sound system, everything will change.
The sound system will change, like.
Yeah.
Oh. Sensation. Holy moly, bro. Holy moly. The sound is like, lion, man.
It's normal.
It's normal. Holy moly.
Normal.
What he said? He said, me normally. You know, Salam, like, mashallah, he's a superb driver, to be honest. Like, he drives really carefully. Even though he's driving on 250 or 280.
Don't believe that.
No, you have to believe it. You know, like, he is so careful. It doesn't matter the speed is more than 300 or less than 200. We're going to Al Reef, right?
Yeah.
We're going to Al Reef. So right now we are in
There you can see the G63.
Oh, the G63. You can see I can't even pronounce that. G63 is there. We'll see that today. If you can. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine, man. Like
B1 is fine. Yeah?
B1 is fine, but the thing is, like, right now we are in the Bentley, so let's get the most of it, you know.
Yep. Also, I want to tell you something. See here for the AC.
Okay.
You see this one?
What is this one?
Close the AC.
Okay.
You know, classic.
Everything's classic. Oh, there is the panel, right? You can. Oh, damn!
Like classic car.
Bentley watch, super. No, once I was with one of my friends from the university, you know, said like he had the Mercedes, which one? That E-Class, I believe. E-Class or
Which one?
I'm not sure.
200.
It's a Benz, right? It's Benz.
Yeah, okay, but the Benz.
I forgot the model. It's something, not E-Class, maybe C-Class or C200.
Okay, there is the C250.
It's V8 twin turbo.
V8 twin turbo.
Yeah.
C63.
Maybe.
No, not sure. V12.
But that one, you know, it have the watch, you know, classic. I believe it have the same options. Whenever you are turning on left, the light will turn left with the motion, right?
This car for racing.
Damn. You know, it's the same feeling like you are the king of the street and nobody there to dare you. Like such an example.
I'm the king. You know the song?
But
Not the legend.
No, I'm not the legend, man. Like, you know, I'm a legend on my life, you know, by myself, you know. But the thing is, like, you know, in outside, it's a difficult world, man. It's a difficult world. So, like, I'm preparing myself to be the best, to be honest, man. Because
Inshallah, will be the best.
Inshallah, man, I'm trying, you know. Because the competition outside, it's really tough now. Through, you know, skill-wise, I can develop myself so that I can compete, I can meet good people. Right now, of course, I did something fine. That's why I'm meeting with Salam and I'm in his car, you know. So that's the thing. Do good, good will come to you.
Yeah.
That should be the dreamings, you know. And to change the topic. Man, vlogging is tough, you know. Holy moly. Move! Now they're moving. Up. Holy moly, mashallah, bro. That sound, bro.
Look, back.
Oh. Okay, that's the thing, you know, like it will give you the balance, right?
Yeah. When you go more than 140,
Okay.
come on.
Damn! Look at the interior. It looks like, you know, I'm in the cockpit of what is it called, Airbus. So Salam,
Yep.
man, it's really hot, right?
Yeah.
We are sweating too much today.
No, bro, don't worry. We are in Alaska.
The rims are 22.
Can rims.
Damn.
Can.
Can. Okay. K-A-H-N.
Yeah, I mean can. No.
Can. Yeah.
عليك السلام ورحمة الله. يحييك. بكليه ولا ايش؟ ها؟ لا. والله اجي الان.
Look at this car. This rims goes perfect with the car, you know. Super. Really? Okay, let's get into the beast. The interior, wow. Look at the interior. That's the dashboard. You know, that's the best thing. Like, it have the double combo of classic and also like digital and everything, right? This is the Chiptonic. It looks classic, man. The pedal, pedal shifter, and that's the Bentley logo. Wow, man, it feels good, man. Wow.
You wanna race with your
Yeah,
Evo?
you want to?
Yeah.
Seriously, man, I'm full ready.
I'm ready.
You know, my race ends at 180 or 160,
160, yeah?
and your race starts from 180, right? So that's the difference between, you know, my so-called Evo.
You see that scar? It's also
Which one?
the red one.
SS? It should be. Look at the dashboard, what it's showing, you see. Wow. You know, this panel, if you don't see for real, okay, it's showing the check tire pressure. I need to get one of these cameras. Inshallah. I need to get this more than you. Why? Every day there is something, you know, such thing happens with my car. You know, if I wash my car, some people comes and they threw mud on my car.
But this one not for 24 hours. This one just one on the car. But you can make it for 24 hours.
Okay. Maybe I can record it in 720p, low resolution, so that I can record more.
I'll tell you something. Okay, let me search at home.
Okay.
Maybe I will find. We have the same, but I think old one or something. I will give it to you.
Yeah, if you have, then yeah. Thanks, man. That's the issue, man. I leave my car and every day I come and I see such issue happening with my car. You know, that's unacceptable, man.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn. Shit. Oh. Oh. Damn. Like perfect, you know. It's like, you know, the couple are standing, sitting there, or standing there. I don't know what to say. Mashallah, mashallah.
Allah will take you when the McLaren is here.
McLaren.
You will see Bentley, Mercedes, the McLaren, and the Nissan stop there.
Oh.
That's the park just for the McLaren.
Just for the McLaren.
But now the McLaren is here.
Reserved. McLaren parking is reserved. Don't dare to
I'll
park.
drink this water.
Yeah, sure, man. Absolutely, go for it.
Cool.
Man, life is good, alhamdulillah, and there is nothing much to talk about the McLaren. McLaren is McLaren.
Surprise.
So right now we are in front of Salam's sweet home, and as you can see, all the cars, it's all Salam's, and
For the family.
for the family. Yeah, that's the thing, you know, Salam's and Salam's family.
car.
And you can see the skillet, right?
Yeah.
A skillet. Family car, Dada, Maxima, Nissan Petrol, Bentley, Mercedes, Jeep, Yaris. You know, like, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
This is Yaris in turbo.
And I have no doubt on that. Like, it can be, you know, it can be, because when it's Salam, you can't doubt. You can't doubt. If you doubt, you die.
Yeah, also that Ford F-150.
Oh, there is one.
Remember, yeah?
Yeah, of course. That Ford. Oh shit, man! Look. Oh, that's the Ford Raptor.
Yeah.
See, that's, man. There are so many memories of that car. You know, whenever Salam used to get into the university back in time with the Ford Raptor, you know, there is no space to park, and people get offended most of the time. You know, this is the Ford Raptor. You can see it's bigger than my whole career, my future, man. Damn, like this is huge. This is huge.
Okay, come on, tell me something.
Yeah,
See this bumper?
yeah,
Hmm?
yeah. Dude, this is like metal, steel.
This I did it.
Holy. If someone's dare to, you know, make issue with Salam, this bumper, it doesn't come with it, right? It's not stock.
Yeah, not stock.
Not stock.
Also, I did it in the back.
In the back also. Okay. Okay. So, alhamdulillah, it was a great day, man. Like, you know, having a ride in Bentley and wow, it's amazing, man, to be honest. Like, I can't just explain how it feels. The whole Bentley thing, you know, there is nothing much to explain because the car is outstanding, starting from its interior to its exterior, everything's. Now I'm driving my own car and I feel like, you know, it's and I can't compare, man. I can't compare because every car have their own good and bad things. So anyways, next time maybe I will be vlogging with the McLaren P1 as Salam mentioned. So whenever I'm going to meet him, so we'll do the vlog with the P1. It was a good day, man. Like, seriously, shit, man. So that's it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, then like it and subscribe if you are new here. Stay connected. I'll see you guys in next vlog. So almost. I'll see you guys soon, inshallah. Take care. Peace. Masalam.